Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the third portion of our How to Pack an 8-Bag series. Beforehand we covered EDC, then we went into prepping and survival. Now we're gonna cover what I do best, combat medicine. Have in mind, there is no one way to pack an 8-bag. You have to adapt to the situation, to the environment that you're in. There is a different environment in Africa or in South America, so adapt to it. If you're gonna prep your 8-bag by only one way, you're prepping for failure. So be a good medic, do your research beforehand, check your ego at the door, ask the senior medic, ask the locals, Google, and adapt to the situation. Before we cover my 8-bags, we're gonna cover what every soldier needs to carry on the battlefield besides his rifle. First, we're gonna start with his tourniquet. Then we're gonna cover the individual first aid kit. The principle is that you can reach it with your left or your right hand. And also that it's big enough to carry all your essentials for 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗄. I know it's big, I know it's clunky, and I know that you're used to having small things in your hand, but deal with it. It's better to have proper equipment and be alive than tactical and dead. First, we have a nasopharyngeal airway with lube, 2 chest seals with NCDs attached to it, a makeshift 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗄 card, some combat gauze, 2 small ACE bandages. Then we have a rescue blanket to fight hypothermia. We still have a Sharpie to fill out our 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗄 card, some tape. Last but not least, scissors for scissoring. This is basically it for his needs in 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗄. To learn how to use it, make sure to watch our Combat Medic Essentials series. So, now that we covered a soldier's IFAK, which I as a medic also have, I'm gonna tell you what does a medic need to have on themselves additionally when they have a casualty, so they don't go straight away digging into their direct action bag, or if by any chance they don't have it. Alright, let me show you the additional gear. Straight, I have another cat tourniquet. Next to it, I have an EpiPen. 1 additional nasopharyngeal airway. Next to it, a crike kit. 1 additional combat gauze. Straight away, I can glove up. I have 1 additional Israeli bandage. In addition, I also have 1 ACE wrap, 2 chest seals with NCDs attached to them, and last but not least, a chocolate bar when I get hangry. So talking about additional medical gear, we still have to move tactically, so don't overpack. Medical gear follows the Forrest Gump rule. Life's like a box of chocolates, it doesn't last long for fat people, so don't be too heavy. This is just a rule of thumb that works for me, but it might not work for you guys. So, know your surroundings, know your needs, and adapt to the situation. Upgrade or downgrade. This is it for our first episode of our Combat Medic portion of the series. Stay tuned, there's plenty more to come. In our next episode, we're gonna go through how to pack a direct action bag and a 24-hour bag. Take care.